In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your PolyBuzz account, formerly known as poly.ai. So what you want to do actually is quite simple. Once you're signed into your account, you want to go to the very bottom right where you can see that me profile picture, so that little person. And then in here, once you're on this page, you want to go to top right where you can see the settings cog icon, and you want to tap on that. And from here, you want to go inside account, which is the second to last penultimate option. And from here, as you can see, you have to accept the account deletion agreement. You can read all about it over here. It says what you're going to lose if you do so, and it's going to show your login account. And then you want to click down below where it says, I have read the cancellation agreement. And then once you check that, you can press the delete button. And once you check it and click on it, it means your account is going to be deleted and you won't be able to access it anymore. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.